Hi Tom, welcome to the Mortgage Business Expo.
Morning,
How are you finding the Shares Expo?
Yeah, it's actually been our first year of exhibiting. We've previously been attended and seen what it's like, and finally came around to actually exhibiting, and actually it's been really successful. It's been a good time to be able to meet people that you've actually spoken to on the phone or emailed and put a face to the name, get feedback from brokers and introducers, and we'll definitely be exhibiting next year.
A bit busy too?
No, it was a very busy day yesterday, and we're definitely going to be exhibiting next year and looking forward to it.
Okay. Recent reports suggest that some bridging lenders are talking up the market. Would you agree with this?
It's very hard to comment about what other bridging finance lenders are doing or how much they are actually lending. On our side, we believe that the importance of bridging finance in the real estate market, especially whilst the mainstream banks are not lending, I think gives the people the opportunities to carry on working within real estate and keep, I suppose, the business world going with regards to the property. And that's how we're looking at it, and we can't underestimate how important that is.
Okay. So how are you finding the current market for bridging finance?
It's like I commented. I think we actually wrote an article last year in SCFB magazine, and we predicted a liquidity bubble within the industry, and I've seen that actually happen. We've seen the interest rates really go down, and offering competitive rates to the borrowers, which are, as far as we're aware, is probably the most competitive ones that's ever been. And it's actually probably a good time for the borrowers to be borrowing money because it's the cheapest, but we'll see what happens next year. It's been a very interesting year, and it's exactly similar to how we predicted.
So what advice would you offer to people who are looking to start out in the mortgage industry?
It's very hard at the moment because the way I look at it is, I think you have to understand what the borrower's requirements are and make sure that they fit the purpose for the loan. So you have to take a common sense approach to every single transaction you do, and try and be as safe as you can. Obviously, there's going to be cases where you're going to get caught out on, but make sure you understand the actual market, see what's missing, and try to add something and added value to what's around there at the moment.
So what do you think the future now holds for bridging finance, especially?
I believe in the coming years, and definitely the next few months, maybe in the next years or so, as conventional lending comes back into play and the banks do start to lend, a lot of the opportunistic hedge funds who've come into the market and will possibly try and exit that and carry on with what they were doing possibly previous, which is investing into the finance world. Saying that, there's a lot of companies within our industry, especially people exhibiting here, our competitors, who we believe, along with ourselves, are going to go from strength to strength. And whilst being able to understand what the market requires, be able to adapt as and when the liquidity returns to the market.
Okay, Tom, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.